It's time to stock up on travel essentials. We reached out to some of our favorite brands to find out what they're putting on sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. These are the deals on their website so you can support them directly. A few of them start a little later than today but are too good not to mention, so be sure to mark your calendars as we go. And we've also got a video coming up soon with Black Friday deals on Amazon, so be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Now let's get to the sales. Kicking it off with Aer's code to save 20%. It's a great deal if you want to get your hands on a new travel backpack. We've been using the Aer Travel Pack 3 since it launched, taking it on trips to Thailand, Brazil, and Portugal. The 35-liter bag has liner pockets for small items and space for cubes and pouches. Its compartments are easily accessible without having to disengage the compression straps, and it has a well-cushioned harness system with load lifters, a sternum strap, and a removable hip belt. We appreciate how comfortable it is to carry when we're walking long distances from the airport to our accommodations. Of course, we've been using Aer since the brand began about a decade ago. So now is a great time to pick up the City Pack Pro 2, a day pack with accessible organization for your daily gear that opens fully clamshell for easy packing. We also love the Aer Split Kit. It's the Pack Hacker team's go-to tech pouch for small essentials. Score deals on Tortuga bags and bundles when you check out their Black Friday sale collection. And if you miss it, Tortuga's running additional sales through mid-December. If we could pick just one bag, we'd go for the Tortuga Expandable Backpack. It has 630D ballistic nylon for durability, yet only weighs 3.6 pounds, and it's even lighter if you don't need the hip belt. Expand the 27-liter bag up to 32.5 liters when needed, and use the compression straps to keep the soft fabric in check when carrying less. We find it easy to pack up to a week's worth of clothing in the main compartment, which has a mesh-covered bucket space on the left and an open space on the right. You can get the pack solo or save more when you order the bundle that includes packing cubes that are tailor-made for their bags. We also like the 19-liter packable backpack that compresses smaller than a travel pillow, yet has a harness system capable of supporting whatever you pack. Save up to 25% at Eagle Creek and get free shipping this holiday weekend. This is a great opportunity to snag some packing cubes. Eagle Creek has many great options, but our favorites are the Packet Isolate line. They're lightweight, durable, and some have great compression to help you save space in your travel bag. You can get them in combo packs or individually, but our favorite set includes 2 sizes of compression cubes and 1 divided cube for clean and dirty clothing. They're made from 100% recycled 70D nylon from ocean plastic without PFCs or PFAS chemicals. We like the Eagle Creek Packet Reveal cubes too, because their mesh fronts help you see what's inside. If you're set on cubes, score a great deal on Eagle Creek Expanse suitcases for Black Friday instead. ALPAKA's running a sale of up to 50% off through December 1st. So if you need a new day pack, the 23-liter Bravo backpack is a great choice. It nearly always looks neat and professional thanks to its unique gusset, which allows the main compartment to expand without looking bulky. It's easy to see and grab what's inside since the half-zip design tapers towards the front. That puts a lot of the bag's interior on display, which also comes in handy when trying to pack or unload large items. Nearly everyone on the team finds the bag comfortable to wear, thanks to its contoured and padded shoulder straps and loop-mounted sternum strap. If you're looking for a great personal item bag, check out their Flight Sling. It holds a surprising amount of travel essentials for a 2-liter bag, including an iPad mini or a Nintendo Switch. You'll also have space for the ARC Classic wallet, which we like for its ample space for cards. And the unbelievable deals just keep coming. You can save up to 30% at Peak Design through Cyber Monday. If you've been holding out for an awesome travel backpack, the Peak Design Travel Backpack 45-liter is a pack hacker pick because it can handle just about anything, from photography gear to digital nomad life to one-bag travel. It has plenty of space for Peak Design's packing cubes and photo kits, along with the partition that lets you keep things organized. And its harness system is simple to hide away when it's time to slide it into the overhead bin to keep it from tangling with other bags. If rolling luggage is more your thing, we love the Roller Pro Carry-On. Peak Design maximized its capacity and minimized its bulk with a flat handle and a compression molded interior. And you can't go wrong with a Peak Design tech pouch with its origami-style organization and attachment points to help you anchor it to your bag. If your New Year's resolution is to travel with less clothing, it's a great time to shop at Unbound Merino. They only run one sale each year, and it's happening now. Tom's been traveling with the compact travel hoodie for years because it's lightweight and breathable, temperature regulating and quick drying, and it's easy to pack. He uses it as an extra layer over or under other clothing for a bit more warmth, and says it goes great with just about everything. It has a classic straight fit, and Unbound Merino recently released a women's version with a slimmer cut if you prefer that instead. If you're looking to create your own travel bundle, we also recommend picking up a crew neck t-shirt because it goes with just about everything. And don't forget a set of ultrafine merino sleepwear. I've been wearing Unbound's sleep top and bottoms lately. They're super cute and comfy to lounge around in, and have all the benefits of merino wool too. You know, like anti-odor protection, so you can wear them for the entire trip even if you're a sweaty sleeper, which is not me, of course. It is me. If you're prone to misplacing your cards and cash, Ekster can help. Pair the card holder with the Finder card and you'll be able to locate it with your phone. So give yourself the gift of stress-free searching this Black Friday. The card holder is made of aluminum and features a button to pop up your cards and fan them out for easy grabbing. There's space for up to 12 cards, and the Finder card fits inside so you can figure out where you left your wallet if you lose it. If you want to upgrade to a more premium feel, opt for the Wallet or the Wallet Pro, which has added spots for cards or cash. For something more classic, we also like the Ekster Modular Bifold, a traditional leather wallet that integrates a coin pouch and a magnetic card sleeve. When you need to bring just a few cards, you can remove it and carry that instead. With deals that sound too good to be true, this might be a great time to get a bag from Minaal. They're giving away extra bags and offering big discounts for this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You can get a free Minaal Carry-On 2.0 or a Minaal Daily bag when you buy another bag or bundle. While those aren't the most up-to-date models, you can buy the Minaal Carry-On 3.0, which is a pack or pick, and then pair it with the free Daily for your everyday carry. Or get a 3.0 for you and a 2.0 for your partner. Or vice versa if you want to give them the newer version. Either way, it's a win-win for everyone. They're also offering 30% off all bundles, and you can get a Carry-On 2.0 and a Daily for $200. That's 2 bags for less than the Carry-On 2.0 costs all by itself. I'm saying, great deals. We love the Carry-On 3.0's organization with plenty of quick pockets and a clamshell opening for the main and laptop compartments. That's where Minaal shines, with a sleeve that has straps to securely hold up to a 16-inch laptop and a tablet, keeping them centered against your back. If you need a sling, we like the comfortably padded back panel and wide shoulder strap of the Minaal Crossbody 2.0 bag. That's part of a bundle with the Minaal roll top bag, so you can get both of those for an extra 30% off. If you need new luggage for 2026, consider Calpak. They're offering 20% off site-wide and up to 60% off select items. Personally, we like the Ambeur carry-on. The carbon steel bearings on the wheels help it handle cobblestone, cement, and carpet with ease. In fact, they spin so well that sometimes the bag can get ahead of you, which we found out during testing. Of course, we prefer that over them getting stuck on rough ground. The interior organization is interesting, with a detachable hanging mesh pocket for accessories and a multi-pocket zippered mesh panel to hold gear on the lid. We like the look of the shiny polycarbonate and ABS plastic exterior too, although it does tend to show stains and scuffs. When you want to travel with only a personal item bag, check out the Hue Mini Carry-On Luggage, which we found to be one of the best underseat luggage bags on the market. You can also save on a carry-on from one of our favorite brands this weekend. Bellroy is offering 25% off site-wide with a minimum purchase, so you might want to invest in something big to take advantage of the deal. They have the highest rated luggage on our site as of recording, and the Transit Carry-On is a great example of why. It comes with custom packing cubes that fit the bag's interior exactly, or can act as a panel to hold down other gear if you don't want to use them. They're removable, so you can use them in another bag, like if you bring a backpack instead of using rolling luggage. It's carry-on compliant with most airlines without skimping on capacity, and the telescoping handle is integrated into the back of the bag, eliminating extra material to save space and weight. We like to pair it with the Bellroy Classic Sling 7-liter for a personal item bag on the plane, and the minimalist Bellroy Undercover for our cards. I've been using this wallet for a year and a half, and it still looks good as new. We love bags that keep a tight profile, but still have enough space when we need it. If you feel the same, the Expandable CrossPod 2 is for you. Save on that and more on CODEOFBELL's website, which is up to 35% off. The sling goes from 2.3 to 7 liters if you utilize the expandable front compartment that gets bigger as you add more gear. Its compression straps keep everything in check when you carry less, but we like the extra space when traveling because it allows us to empty our pockets before going through security. As for organization, there are mesh pockets for small tech or travel accessories, a large mesh pocket for oversized items, and a space in the middle for things like over-ear headphones. If you prefer a more messenger crossbody style, there's the Annex Liner 2 Sacoche. It expands from 4 to 8 liters, so you can get a lot of what we love with the CrossPod with a different design. We like to get cozy this time of year, and there's nothing better for lounging than Cozy Earth clothing. Save 20 to 25% on comfy essentials, and check out the flash sales all weekend long. We like their brushed bamboo shorts, which are great for relaxing, but still look nice. The bamboo material helps wick away moisture, keeping you from sweating if you're a hot sleeper. The drawstring waistband helps get the fit right, and the smooth texture looks nicer than pajamas if you wear them for a midnight stroll or to watch the sunrise. Pair them with the Cozy Earth Stretch Knit Bamboo Lounge Tee for the ultimate outfit for hanging around the Airbnb with your pals, or snatch the Cityscape 2.0 sweatpant if you want more coverage this winter. I've been wearing the original version for a year and a half now, and they're still in really great shape and still very comfortable and soft. Everything we've tested from Cozy Earth has been so unbelievably soft, so your future lounging self will thank you. Whether you need a new carry-on, backpack, or other travel essential, now's the time to get it. Away is putting nearly everything on their site 25% off, calling it their biggest sale of the year. The Away Carry-On Flex is great if you want a bag with solid organization and space for your trip, with the option to expand it when you come home with more than you brought. Surprisingly, adding a zipper makes the bag more rigid in the center, not less, so we're here for it, even though we had plenty of space to pack for a week without engaging the expansion. If you prefer a soft bag, the Away soft side carry-on's exterior pockets integrate seamlessly into the bag's design, keeping your travel essentials readily accessible. We'd pair either suitcase with the Away Featherlight backpack because it's a great personal item for the plane and for carrying around at your destination. It even has a dedicated pocket just for your passport and a luggage pass-through so you can slide it right over the handle of one of those roller bags. You don't have to wait until Black Friday to pick up one of our favorite toiletry bags. The Gravel Explorer Mini Toiletry Bag is part of the brand's 25% off site-wide sale now through December 1st. This unique hanging bag holds what you need to shower, wash your face, and brush your teeth. You won't chance getting shampoo on your bristles thanks to the design that keeps your toothbrush and paste on the opposite side of the bag from everything else. The TPU material is water resistant, so it's easy to wipe clean and resist moisture inside and out. If you need travel size containers, the Gravel Soft 3-ounce liquid bottles are easy to pack in pairs and stand up on their own. And if you're all set on gear, check out the Ultra Pack Mini Kids Blanket. Despite the name, it's not just for kids. I used it traveling to and from Tanzania and to stay warm on chilly nights while there, and I barely even noticed its small footprint taking up space in my bag. There are certain things you wait for a sale to buy, and the bag that you've been eyeing from Friedrik might be one of them. After all, if you can score premium luggage at a discount, why wouldn't you? Friedrik is running a 30% off sale on its entire site for Black Friday, making it a great time to check out the core carry-on. It has premium materials including a German Macrolon polycarbonate exterior with leather detailing, nearly silent Hinomoto wheels, and a telescoping handle that stops at almost any level. Our staff writer Christine took it on 4 flights to and from Jamaica, and it came back with nary a scratch in sight, but it did show a few smudges from sunscreen and other oils. It doesn't matter which way you open the bag, since zippered panels hold gear in place on each side, but you'll want to use the zippered mesh pockets on each panel to make the best use of the space left in the center. Or opt for the Friedrik Carry-On X if you'll need to make use of the built-in laptop compartment. If you prefer hand carry luggage, the 33-liter Friedrik Granville Weekender is a leather bag with useful organization and a rear luggage pass-through to slide over luggage for longer trips. We've recommended tomtoc gear more times than we can count. It's a great budget-friendly brand, and you can save up to 25% off their site this Black Friday. We recommend checking out the Liteway travel backpack. It's essentially the 40-liter Navigator T66 in a ripstop material, and now it comes in a 28-liter size for shorter trips. It's easy to pack the main compartment through the duffel-style lid on the front. You can also access it through the laptop compartment, which opens fully clamshell to lay flat on the X-ray belt if the security officer says it's okay to leave your laptop inside. It's also a good time to snag a Navigator T03 passport bag to keep everyone's documents organized as you travel, and the Aviator T37 travel crossbody bag to keep all your essentials close at hand. Most of us here at Pack Hacker never leave home without a water bottle. However, they take up valuable space and add weight when traveling. HYDAWAY solves that with its drinkware, which comes in a ton of styles. Their collapsible water bottles compress like an accordion in the middle when you've finished drinking. We like that the center is firmer so you don't accidentally squish it when taking a drink, as we have with other compressible bottles. You do have to suck a bit on the straw to get the water out instead of just pouring it into your mouth, though. And you can even get a free carrying case for a few more days with code FREECASE. We'd recommend grabbing one to protect the spout from touching everything in your travel backpack when you're not drinking from it. HYDAWAY also makes a collapsible insulated drink tumbler for your morning coffee or tea, which staff writer Christine says fits much better in a mini backpack than a regular mug. You can also stick a buff in just about any backpack. We find them so useful wherever you travel. Save up to 40% through the holidays if you want to pick some up for yourself or as stocking stuffers. You can use the Buff USA Coolnet Gaiter as a sweatband for working out, a light extra layer on your neck or ears when the temps dip, and an eye mask in the hotel room if everyone's getting ready at different times and you want to sleep a little longer. This one is thinner and ideal for warm weather, but you can even break it out if you want to keep bugs off of your sweaty neck. We also love the polar neckwear for any colder temperatures, and Buff has a ton of different styles on their site to suit pretty much any trip. If you're tight on space while traveling with a group, keep the counter free with a hanging toiletry bag. The Solgaard Trio hanging toiletry kit has space for everything you need and a hook to keep it off the sink. Get that and more on their site, which is 20% off through December 7th, which is also the last date for guaranteed delivery before Christmas. The toiletry kit is convenient for air travel because the bottom compartment is actually a removable 3-in-1 bag for your liquid toiletries. We pack the rest of our skincare, makeup, and hair products in the other zippered compartments to keep it organized. There are also slit pockets where you can stand your toothbrush during the day to let it air dry without touching anything else. If you pair it with the Solgaard Packing Cube Quartet, you'll keep everything tidy in your travel bag on your way to and from your destination. And if you have business travel plans in 2026, you might want to use this time to save on the carry-all laptop sleeve too. If you want something premium and professional for everyday carry, Harber London fits the bill. Take advantage of Black Friday and get a discount when you order 2 or more items. The magnetic envelope sleeve has a leather front with a wool felt protective case for your MacBook and a super secure magnetic closure. It creates a beautiful aesthetic, but more importantly, is tailor-made to fit your specific MacBook model, even if it's as old as 2012. A better fit means better protection without losing the sleek design. You can even charge your computer while it's in the sleeve, though we recommend plugging the cable into your computer before sliding it in. That's the easiest way to do it with the sleeve's snug fit. We also dig the Harber London leather crossbody bag for when you want an aesthetically pleasing personal item bag. The full-grain leather feels very premium and goes with just about any outfit you'd want to wear on vacation. You don't need a separate sling if yours detaches from your day pack, though. And that's what we like about the Low & Sons Melrose Rucksack. This and more best-selling styles are included in their Black Friday sale. The day pack's lid zips off to become a standalone crossbody or shoulder bag. If you use it for your phone, wallet, and keys, you can pack the rest of the backpack with an extra outfit, snacks, and entertainment for the plane. Then zip the crossbody off when you dump your gear at the hotel, and you won't have to repack an EDC bag. You can detach the crossbody strap when it's attached to the rucksack, and there's a zippered pocket underneath where the crossbody attaches, so that's where we stuff it instead. Taking it off is a breeze, and we found it to be way more useful than we expected, especially for errands during our daily commutes. If you don't need a separate backpack, the Low & Sons Waverly 2 crossbody keeps your essentials by your side in crossbody or waistpack mode. We don't need an excuse to get another cord. It never seems like we can quite find the one we need. You can get rid of just about everything and save on just one cable when you get the Nomad Goods USB-C universal cable. Along with USB-C connectors, this 240-watt cable also has adapters for USB-A and micro USB. They slide down and click into place when you need to charge something else or use a wall charger that lacks a USB-C port. It comes in 3 different lengths and includes a super durable fray-resistant cord. However, it doesn't have lightning, so you'll need to charge an older iPhone with a separate cable. There's a good chance you'll need to charge 2 things at once though, and having 2 cables is still better than needing to pack 4. The best Black Friday deals are on brands that rarely go on sale. That's the case for Orbitkey. So if you're looking for a way to organize your bag and workspace, it's a great time to get their 2-in-1 tech pouch. Part of the organization in the larger bag pulls out to be a standalone desk caddy, so you don't have to unpack all the accessories you need whenever you get to the office or co-working space. When it's time to go, slip it into the larger pouch where you can store other gear you may need but won't use constantly. You can stand both pouches up on a table, though you might as well leave them nestled together when you need to access everything at once. We're also big fans of the Orbitkey Organizer Pro, which keeps keys jangle-free and features a quick flip tool that easily pops out your most used key when needed. We've been using that for years, and recently Christine has been testing Orbitkey's new crossbody phone strap. She's found it convenient for carrying her phone on walks and when she's wearing an outfit without pockets. A lot of travelers also find them useful for amusement parks and arenas where bags are restricted. If you're planning a camping trip or heading out on the water, a good cooler is a must. RTIC is a reliable brand, and they're offering up to 50% off select coolers for Black Friday. Some of them even come with free drinkware. We like the Arctic Extra Tough Soft Cooler Pro, which keeps food and drinks cold for days and floats if you knock it overboard. We tested the original, which features the same leak-proof design and waterproof zipper to keep your sandwiches dry. However, we like that the Pro's lid seals shut with just a press if you're going in and out of it often and don't want to unzip it every time. Plus, it has a waterproof side pocket for your phone, wallet, and keys, so you can leave a separate dry bag behind. You might be relaxing on a trip, but your devices still need more power. Satechi can help with that with 30% off or more site-wide. We love their OntheGo 3-in-1 charger for keeping an Apple Watch, iPhone, and AirPods juiced up. This Qi 2 tri-fold charging station has dedicated pads for each device and is designed that folds in thirds for easy packing. It's mag-safe and supports standby mode, so you can use your phone as a clock while charging. Android users, if your phone supports Qi 2, the charger delivers a 15-watt charge to your device too. It's a little bulky to carry in a small sling, but it makes for a great charging hub in the hotel room since you only need 1 cord for 3 pieces of gear. You can save on the other gear we love too, like the vegan leather Find All glasses case to help you find your readers, and the OntheGo Bluetooth keyboard that has a built-in stand to help you work efficiently on the road. So those are the deals we're excited for this holiday weekend. What are you hoping to snag on Black Friday? Let us know in the comments below, and happy shopping!